Hello joyful dreamers, tonight glows with sparkling cheer. Bluey celebrates Christmas with Eddy the clever fox. Snowflakes tumbled like playful feathers, Bluey twirled under shimmering skies. Eddy carried a box of inventions, Bluey asked, "What surprises inside?" He winked with a sly smile, the box rattled with jingling bells. Bluey's tail wagged with curiosity, Eddy whispered, "Patience makes magic sparkle." A glowing tree lit the snowy hill, Bluey gasped at rainbow ornaments. Eddy pressed a tiny button carefully, the tree flickered brighter than morning sun. Bluey clapped with thunderous joy, Eddy bowed like a magician. Fireworks bloomed above snowy rooftops, Bluey squealed, "Can you see that?" Eddy grinned with sparkling pride, the snow glowed with dancing colors. Bluey hugged him warmly with delight, Eddy's ears twitched playfully. A sled appeared with glowing reins, Bluey shouted, "Let's ride together." Eddy hopped in beside her, the sled whooshed across frosted hills. Snow sprayed like glittering diamonds, Bluey laughed louder than jingle bells. The sled soared over twinkling lights, Eddy shouted, "Hold on tight." Bluey gripped the sparkling handles, her eyes shone with wonder. The sled landed beside glowing presents, Eddy whispered, "Shall we open?" Bluey nodded with glowing cheer. Children, like this video and subscribe, so you join every magical Bluey moment, because adventures sparkle brighter with friends. Bluey unwrapped a shimmering package, inside lay a music box. Eddy wound the crank gently, melody twinkled like falling snow. Bluey spun in joyful circles, Eddy tapped his paws rhythmically. Together they danced beneath glowing stars, the music echoed across snowy trees. Neighbors peeked through frosty windows, they gasped at sparkling lights. Bluey waved with happy cheer, Eddy bowed dramatically again. A golden star floated above them, Bluey whispered, "It's Christmas magic." Eddy stretched his paws upward, the star settled gently atop. The tree shimmered with endless glow, Bluey's heart glowed brighter too. She offered cookies warm and sweet, Eddy crunched happily with crumbs. The air filled with laughter bright, snow drifted like angel feathers. Bluey shared cocoa from her mug, Eddy sipped with sparkling delight. Reindeer bells jingled through the night, Santa's sleigh streaked overhead. Bluey pointed with glowing eyes, Eddy shouted, "Look, it's Santa!" Gifts fluttered like falling snowflakes, Bluey caught one joyfully. Inside sparkled a golden compass, Eddy gasped, "Adventure awaits us." Bluey nodded with shining courage, her heart skipped with excitement. Together they planned snowy journeys, dreams painted across winter skies. Candles flickered inside cozy homes, Bluey yawned beside her friend. Eddy curled warmly by her side, together they dreamed of wonders. And children, remember this sparkling truth, Christmas grows brighter when shared.